Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am about to discuss conformal mapping. Here we will see the definition and we will see how to transform the functions or the given data from Z plane into W plane. The definition is the correspondence defined by the equations u equal to uxy and v equal to vxy between the points in z plane and w plane is called a mapping or transformation of points in z plane into the points of w plane by the function f. See, here we can see that u is a function of uxy and v is a function of xy. Both u and v are the functions of x and y. What we have to do here is, using the function f, we will transform the image from z plane to w plane as shown in the image here. Here we will be given some image or equation. Using that, applying the function, we will transform it into u and v plane, that is w plane. Now we will see with some examples that how to convert the given data from z plane to w plane. See, we will see one example. The question is, find the image of the infinite strip 1 upon 4 less than y less than 1 upon 2 under the transformation w equal to 1 upon z. Here we are given an infinite strip 1 by 4 less than y less than 1 by 2. This will be in z plane. Using this transformation w equal to 1 upon z, we have to find its image in w plane. Now we will see how to solve it. Here the given transformation is w equal to 1 upon z. We can write it here as z equal to 1 upon w. Now we already know that z equal to x plus iy and w equal to u plus iv. We'll put this value in this equation. So we get x plus iy equal to 1 upon u plus iv. Now obviously we know that by the basic rule of complex, to remove here I, we have to take complex conjugate. So we will multiply and divide by u minus iv, which we have done here. See, in denominator part, here we can see the formula a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So the numerator portion will be as it is. Here we can write u square minus iv whole square. Now again we know that I square is equal to minus 1. So minus minus turns into plus. So we get here u minus iv upon u square plus v square. Now we will separate the denominator. On separating the denominator, we get x plus iy is equal to u upon u square plus v square minus iv upon u square plus v square. We have just separated the denominator. Now we will compare here real and imaginary parts. What will compare here it as? Real and imaginary part. On the left side, here the real part is x and here the real part is u upon u square plus v square. That we have written here. We will compare the imaginary part. Imaginary part means coefficient of I. Here it is y and on the right side is minus v upon u square plus v square, that will be equal to y. Now our given strip is 1 upon 4 less than y less than 1 upon 2. This strip it is given to us in our question. We have to convert this into W-plane. See now, first we will take only one portion, 1 upon 4 less than y. We will divide this into two parts, that will be easier for us. So first we will take one portion, 1 upon 4 less than y. Okay. Now what is the value of y? We have obtained here. Value of y is minus v upon u square plus v square. This we have obtained just now above. Okay. Now we will do it cross multiplication. So by cross multiplication, this term will multiply with 1 and 4 will be multiplied with minus v. So here we get u square plus v square is less than minus 4v. Now minus 4 we will transfer to the left side. We get u square plus v square plus 4v less than 0. See, now what we have to do is we have to convert this into the simplified form to know what is the exact image. See, now we know that the equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, where r is the radius and hk is the center. So now we will simplify this equation. This equation we will simplify. Now u square we will not touch it. We will just focus now on v square plus 4v. V square plus 4v can be written as v square plus 4v plus 4 and minus 4. We will add 4 and we will subtract 4 to make the perfect square equation. So here we will get v plus 2 whole square and this 4 can be written as 2 whole square. This is the simplification part. Now this equation can be written as, see here we have written u square plus this bracket part I have written here, v plus 2 whole square minus 2 square will be less than 0. So now again we will take this minus 2 square to the right side. We will get here plus 2 square. Now we can find this like equation of circle, because u can be written as u minus 0 square. This term will be as it is and 2 square will be as it is. So by the equation of circle, just now I have said here center will be 0 and minus 2, and what will be our radius? Our radius will be here 2. So for the first portion, that is 1 by 4 less than 5, we have obtained a circle of radius 2 and center 0 minus 2. Now we will take the second part of the given equation. A second part is y less than 1 by 2. Again obtained above the value of y, we will substitute here minus v upon u square plus v square. Almost the procedure is same. Again we will do same cross multiplication. So here it will be minus 2v less than u square plus v square. Taking minus uv to the other side, we get u square plus v square plus 2v. It will be greater than 0. Now again, now we just obtained the equation of a circle. Okay, so in the similar way, here we will add or subtract something to obtain the perfect square. As above, we added 4 and subtracted 4, plus 4 and minus 4 we did, because there was the equation v square plus 4v plus something like that. Okay, so here we will again have such type of equation, u square plus v square plus 2v. Here we will add plus 1 and minus 1. So this u square will be as it is. This portion will become perfect square. Okay, this portion will become our perfect square. V square plus 2v plus 1. That will be a plus b whole square. And this 1 can be written as 1 square. Now again, by the equation of circle, u square can be written as u minus 0 whole square. V plus 1 can be written as it is, v plus 1 whole square, and this 1 is transformed to the other side, we get plus 1 square. Again here center will be 0 minus 1 and radius will be 1. Now we have already obtained the two images, that is both are circles for the given infinite strip. Our infinite strip was 1 by 4 less than y less than 1 by 2. That was our infinite strip given to us. See, now y less than 1 by 4, y is greater than 1 by 4. So y equal to 1 by 4 will be this line, and y equal to 1 by 2 will be this line. According to our given equation, y is greater than 1 by 4. So this is greater than 1 by 4, and y is less than 1 by 2. So again it will be lower portion this. So this shaded portion is our given image. Now we have to transform it into W plane. So again, by the first circle obtained, our first circle was this one, u square plus v plus 2 whole square less than 2 square. We will take here center as 0 and minus 2, and with radius 2 we have drawn this circle. Okay, and here we just obtained the another circle with center 0 minus 1 and radius 1. We have drawn this another circle, the inner circle. What is our equation? That it is between these two circles. So the space between these two is our required image. So what we have done is, we have transformed using w equal to 1 by z, which is given to us. This is the transformation. Using this transformation, we have transformed an infinite strip to the circle. Okay, so the image of this infinite strip we obtained is it as a circle. This was one example. Now let us take one more example to understand it in better way. Example 2. Now see, in the first example, our transformation was w equal to 1 upon z. You can get another transformation too, as in our question. Let us see. Find the image in z plane given by x greater than 0 and 0 less than y less than 2 under the transformation w equal to iz plus 1. Here our transformation is given as w equal to iz plus 1. Using this, we will transform x greater than 0 and 0 less than y less than 2 into the w plane. Again, first we will see what the transformation is given. We will substitute the values and then we will go to find the further images. So here it is given that w equal to iz plus 1. We know that z equal to x plus iy, w equal to u plus iv. We will substitute here. So we get u plus iv equal to I x plus iy plus 1. We will multiply this I inside. We get I x. I into I is I square, that is minus 1. So minus y plus 1. Now on simplifying, we get here u plus iv equal to minus y plus 1 plus ix. We have just rearranged the equation. Now we'll compare real and imaginary parts. Here a real part is u, and on the right hand side the real part is minus y plus 1. What will be our imaginary part? That is the coefficient of I. Here the coefficient of I is v, and here the coefficient of I is x. So we get v equal to x. Now the first part given to us is x greater than 0. Now as obtained here, we get v equal to x. So obviously v will be greater than 0. Now we will take the second part. Second part is 0 less than y less than 2. Now here the relation between y and u is u equal to minus y plus 1. So to obtain this in the form of u, first we have to convert this y into minus y plus 1. Okay, so we will multiply by minus 1. So here our sign will be changed. So we get here minus 2 less than minus y less than 0. Now here we want plus 1. So we will add 1 in the whole equation. So we get minus 2 plus 1, minus y plus 1 and 0 plus 1. So this will be minus 1, and now again minus y plus 1 can be written as u by here the above equation. Okay, and this will be 1. What we can see here is we have already obtained the image. So what we can see here is, see, by using the transformation w equal to iz plus 1, for x greater than 0, we get images v greater than 0. Okay, and for 0 less than y less than 2, for the strip, we again get an strip here as minus 1 less than u less than 1. So now we will transform this. This is z plane and this one is w plane. We are using the transformation w equal to iz plus 1. Okay, so in z plane here we have y equal to 0, so it will be x-axis, y equal to 2 will be this line, and since it is given that x is greater than 0, so only positive part will get, so this will be the region which is given to us. And what is obtained in w plane is minus 1 less than u less than plus 1. So minus 1 and between plus 1 we are given the image, we have got the image, and what we have to consider is only v greater than 0, that is only the positive part will be obtained. See, I have here done the whole portion, okay, just to indicate that the full portion will be this much, but what we have to consider it as v is greater than 0, so only this portion, the above portion will be our given image. I hope you are clear with the topic of mapping or transformation, how to convert the given equation from z plane into w plane. I hope you are clear with the topic. Thank you.